Hey, hello students. Welcome to Pro JNE. So in the previous session, we have discussed about the metabolism. Okay, what is metabolism? Nothing but the sum of total all the chemical reactions occurring inside the living organism is called as metabolism. So types of metabolism like anabolism and catabolism. Okay, so and also the chemicals. Okay, what are all the chemicals? Okay, which is present in the smaller in size and also bigger in size. So all are discussed in the previous session. Today we are going to talk about that is consciousness. Okay, so in the previous session, cellular organization also we have discussed. Okay, so cellular organization is a defining property because without cell we can't see the human life. Without cell we can't see the living organism. Okay, so cell, so the organ system are made from the cell, so cell is a necessary of living organism. So today we are going to talk about that is consciousness. Okay, so it is consciousness is a defined property or not, it is a characteristic property or not, all are discussed in this video. So let's start. Before going to start this topic, actually what is sense organs? Okay, already we know the sense organs. There are five major sense organs present in our humans. That is eyes, nose, ears, mouth, and also the skin. So these are all the five main sense organs. Okay, by the help of these sense organs, we can grasp the stimuli from the entire surrounding or entire environment. We grasp the stimulus by the help of sense organs. Okay, sense organs, these are all five sense organs. We are grasp the stimulus from the surrounding. So not only human being, plants also they have sense organs. Okay, so plants they are respond to external environment. Okay, external environment, the abiotic factors we are called as abiotic factors. Oh my god, the marker is not working properly, so wait a minute guys. So the abiotic factors like water, temperature. Okay, so water, temperature, light, and other pollutants, these are all are the abiotic factors. So plants respond to abiotic factors like water, temperature, light, and also the pollutants. So the most complex prokaryotic organism to a eukaryotes. Okay. Prokaryotes into eukaryotes, they respond. Okay, the most complex organism like prokaryotes to the eukaryotes, they respond. Okay, so the plants have sense organs, okay, which are respond abiotic factors like for water, temperature, light, and also the pollutants. The photoperiod which is affected the reproduction. Okay, photoperiod which affected the reproduction in seasonal breeders. Okay, in seasonal breeders, the photoperiod which affects the reproduction in both plants and also the animals. Okay, in both plants and animals, photoperiod. Photo means light. Okay, so the photoperiod which affects the reproduction. Okay, by the help of photoperiod, the reproduction which is done in seasonal breeders. Okay, so the photoperiod which is affects the reproduction in seasonal breeders in both plants and also the animals. By the help of this photoperiod, the reproduction which is done. So the all organisms are conscious. Okay, all organisms are conscious, but some organisms are self-conscious. Okay, generally self-conscious. Some organisms are self-conscious, like human beings. Okay, so the human beings are conscious and also the self-conscious. All organisms are conscious, but the human beings are both conscious and also the self-conscious. Means they are aware, okay, aware the surrounding environmental stimuli and also the himself. Okay, the human being which is aware the surrounding environment and also himself. So that's why they are conscious and also the self-conscious. So the consciousness is a defined property of a living organism. Okay. So the consciousness is a defining property of living organism. Okay, the human being which is containing a conscious and also the self-conscious, they respond. Okay, they aware, conscious and also the self-conscious. So the conscious is a defining property of living organism. A patient which is lying on a coma, so in hospital, okay, a patient has, so suppose a patient, so he is lying in a coma in hospital. The patient have brain dead condition. Okay, suppose he is a patient, so a patient, so this a patient has a brain dead situation. Okay, brain dead situation. So in this brain dead, so they are not conscious. Okay, not conscious. So in this condition they are not conscious. The patient A, they are not conscious because brain dead situation is happening. But there are thousands of metabolic reactions which is occurred in the patient body. Okay, inside the patient body there are thousands of metabolic reactions which is done to produce energy, nothing but ATP. So the metabolic reaction which is done in the patient, okay, so they in that case they are living. Okay, so in that case they are living because there are thousands of metabolic reactions is occurring, so that's why they are living. But the patient has brain dead condition, so in this situation they are not conscious. So the latter, the patient has becoming a normal life. So and the underlying, so the living phenomena, okay, the living phenomena, so are due to the underlying interactions. Okay, underlying interaction which is nothing but, so suppose a cell, so this is a cell, so this cell are together to form a tissue. So these tissues are together to form a organ, and these organs are together to form a organ system. So these organ systems are together to form a organism. Okay, so the underlying interactions, okay, the living phenomena is due to the underlying interactions. So suppose the cell are together to form a tissue because they are underlying interactions. So the small okay, small cells are together to form a, they are assembled together to form a tissue. Okay, so means there is underlying interactions. Okay, one cell to another cell, there are underlying interactions between the cells together to form a tissue. So and one more thing, the tissues are more properties than compared to a cell. Okay, so this tissue have a very high properties are very high than compared to a cell, and this tissues has more functioning. These tissues have more function than compared to a cell. So when the organ, so the tissues are together to form an organ. So the organ also very high property than compared to a tissue. So when the organ function, okay, the organ function are more than compared to a tissues. So the underlying interactions are due to the, so the living phenomena are due to the underlying interaction. So the living organisms are self-replicating. Okay, living organisms are self-replicating, self-regulating. Okay, they are self-replicating and also the self-regulating interactive systems. Okay, they are self-replicating and self-regulating interactive system. So cell to form a tissue. Okay, not tissues together to form a cell. Okay, cell is together to form a tissue. So they are self-replicating and self-regulating interactive systems. Okay, so they are more functioning and they are more properties. Okay, they are more functioning and more properties of tissues than compared to a cell. Okay, so this is a living organism. Okay, so living organism is nothing but self-replicating and self-regulating interactive systems. So these interactive systems which are capable to respond to external environment or external stimuli or external condition. Okay, so these are to form a living organism. Okay, so because cell to organ system, then later to form a living organism. So the living organism which is respond to entire external stimuli. Okay, they are grasp the stimuli and they are respond. Okay, so they are grasping and they are respond to external stimuli. So this is a conscious. So consciousness is a defining characteristic of all living organism. Okay, all living organism. So the growth is, it is not a defining property. Okay, it is not a defining property. Okay, so reproduction is not a defining property, metabolism is not a defining property or not defining property or not metabolism. It is a defining property. Okay, defining property. And consciousness also a defining property of living organism. So this is a consciousness. So in the next session we are going to talk about, that is diversity in the living world. So until then, stay tuned and have a nice day.